Welcome back to the channel known as Blue Collar Life. In today's video, we're going to be taking the new Holland C232 minus this roller attachment that's on front at the moment because this is Ted from the future. Forgot to do an intro. Got the bucket in front of us, but we're going to hop next door to the driveway that I did in the previous video. Kind of just got rid of the ruts and stuff like that. Pitched things the way they needed to be so water would shed the correct directions instead of down the middle of the driveway and washing the millings that were already there out. I had 22 ton of screen millings delivered up there, so we'll get those spread out. I'll show you guys in the video how I spread the millings out, how I go about my work and leveling the driveway off, keeping the crown, everything like that, and then rolling it afterwards. You guys would do me a great big favor. Would you like the video? Watch the video in its entirety. Comment down below and subscribe to the channel. I hope you enjoy the video. We are going to be using the New Holland C232, and we're going to be putting this load of millings right here and recapping this driveway. This driveway was put down, I would say, probably about 7 or 8 years ago, and over the time the millings have settled, packed in harder, the edges got higher, so we came in, we did some pre-prep work. We trimmed down the sides, both sides, and we cleaned the washouts that we had from the heavy rains. Well, there you have it. This is the lower half of the driveway. Do a little bit of hand raking down here at the edge just to fill everything in nice and neat. And looks like we got a nice high crown. coming down the center. So the water's going to shed. And we still have our little trough going down through there. So the water should run pretty good on this now. right, guys, finished product. Finished product. We're done back dragging. We got pretty clean lines. A little there. I can actually rake some of this edge up right here, but we got pretty clean lines. Crowned. Everything's shedding. Swept up the concrete. Well, there you have it. Driveway recap done. Like I said, this little swale right here, you can't tell from this camera, but the water should run down off this driveway that's already rutted up above that truck. That's for a later date fix, but we were able to get that water. So what's going on? It's going to run right down through, and it's just going to kind of swale on the other side of that post there with the red marker, and we'll get it rolled in. Alright guys, we're going to get hooked up to the roller next. Well, roll that driveway. This does have a case grain. Hopefully you guys will get to see the transformation that the roller will actually do to these recycled asphalt millings. I tell you what, man, these are street and these things will pack solid. All right, there you have it. The new Holland C232 came in clutch today. I tell you what, this machine, I love it. We've had our battles uphill, downhill, but all in all, man, you put an attachment on the front of this thing and you get good with your foot joysticks because this is hand and foot controls. So I operate everything with my feet for my bucket, and then it's just forward reverse on the levers. And you get used to that, and you really can make some work done real quick. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, would you please do me a great big favor? Would you like the video? Comment down below and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.